Curbs, potholes, debris, road hazards, tire blowouts. There are many things on the road that can damage expensive alloy wheels. The damage can lead to corrosion, air pressure loss, uneven tire wear, vibrations at high speeds, and reduced vehicle resale value. While damage is commonly found on the wheel face, lip, and spokes, bends, cracks, and corrosion are often found behind the wheel face, inside lip, and back barrel. Many vendors do cheap, fast, on-the-car repairs, but to get a true inspection and a proper, safe, high-quality repair, the wheel must be repaired off the car. Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists is the first company to recognize the need for high-quality, safe repairs and provides their services on-site in a fully enclosed OSHA and EPA-compliant mobile workshop. Let's take a look at the differences between on-the-car and off-the-car wheel repairs, starting with on-the-car. The first problem is you get a poor inspection. By leaving the wheel on the car, you cannot completely inspect the wheel for cracks or bends that may exist behind the lip or back barrel. Think about it. When a wheel hits a pothole, both the outside and the inside barrels take a hit. Why would you want a process that cannot check them both? A major safety hazard can be left undetected on the inside of the wheel. Next problem is an incomplete repair. Leaving unseen damage unrepaired can lead to corrosion, metal degradation, and possible wheel failure causing a major accident. Then there's overspray. When a wheel is painted on the vehicle, paint can spray onto brake calipers, pads, and discs, causing possible brake damage. Also, vehicle appearance can be harmed by overspray on the body. The final point is a big one: EPA and OSHA violations. Paint spray outdoors is in direct violation of the EPA 6H rule. Fines can reach $10,000 per day of violation for vendors and site location owners. That's a lot of exposure to save a few bucks. That's why you should choose Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists, the first and leading provider of high-quality, on-site, off-the-car cosmetic repair and straightening. Our process starts with proper cleaning and inspections. We take the wheel off the car, break the wheel bead, clean the entire wheel surface, and check for hidden cracks using dye penetrant and a blacklight. We measure for bends along the front and back barrels. If we find scratches behind the lip or cracks or bends behind the wheel face, we will determine if the wheel is safe to repair. If it is, we provide complete refinishing and straightening. We eliminate any possible overspray damage to the vehicle braking system or body. Our process is 100% OSHA and EPA compliant. Painting is completed in a fully enclosed downdraft paint booth that meets the EPA 6H rule. Wheel repair is not all the same. Our technicians are trained, tested, and certified in our repair processes. We will not repair a wheel that does not pass our safety inspection. Our technicians carry $1 million in general liability insurance and provide a free lifetime warranty on the workmanship for every repair. While there are cheap, on-the-car wheel repair providers, there is only one high-quality, professional, off-the-car repair company: Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists.